So I wanted to do like a cute like little talk through of all of my Itabags. I'm hoping my camera's got enough battery in it to do this because I have no idea where the charger is. I haven't seen it since I got back from Paris. So I'm going to talk through my 8 Itabags that are complete. There's one just chilling there. This is my Sailor Moon bag, which I did an entire video as I was building. I have finally fixed it, so it's not like falling to pieces. I haven't found the missing pin yet, but here we go. Yep, the window is super sparkly, but it's got everything inside. And a nice custom outer. This is my Red Dwarf bag. This one is partially complete. I've got a load of patches I want to buy to fill in the spaces. Red Dwarf is a 90s to current, maybe even 80s to current British sci-fi series. It's a comedy. It's one of my favourite things in the world. Like, Red Dwarf means so much to me. I put them all in a little heart. So we've got the 2 hollies, we've got the Jupiter Mining Corporation logo, we've got the Red Dwarf logo, we've got Lister and Kachansky. I can't talk. Rimmer, another Red Dwarf logo, the cat, more Rimmer, and sweet Crichton. And there's a little Starbug, and then a cute little like Smeg head pin. I really want to get more for this, but it's definitely a show where it's really hard to get merch for. Even like current stuff just doesn't really exist as much. This is my very badly spaced Nico Yazawa bag from Love Live. I really got into Love Live last year. I'm less into it now, but there's all sorts of stuff in here. Some of these are official, some of these aren't. This one's one of my favourite things in any of my bags. And this lights up if you push it hard enough in the right place. I can't seem to get it to do it. There's 2 little racing Nikos. These ones connect up and like make a big circle. I wish I had the full set for a bag. One of the few pins I have. So this is my Diva bag. This was like my OG Ita bag. I actually have a different pink bag, which was the original base for this. I really need to rework this. The fabric is messy. It's got a lot going on. There's basically one piece of official merch in here, which is this button. The rest is all fan merch. This rosette in the middle, which is like one of my absolute favourite pieces, was very lovingly and kindly made for me by my friend Nat as like a surprise. She hand cross stitched and then made the rosette, and it's like, it gets pride of place every time I do anything Diva. So I originally made the Diva bag because I was cosplaying her, and I always like, now I've really got into it, I want to have like matching cosplay bags for each character I cosplay. But where I mostly do Diva and Homura Akemi for Madoka Magica, that's like an easier thing. This one is my current Madoka Magica bag. I have a giant Homura plush that's elsewhere right now that I normally have on the zipper. This was my original Diva bag, so it's got like glue marks and it's really dirty. I'm going to eventually like repaint the outside of this. It's like the back of it's like absolutely ruined. This is my oldest Ita bag, like base bag. So I've got all sorts of like mostly can badges in here. I actually have quite a lot more merch now. At the time I only had one Mami. I've definitely got more now. I also weirdly only had Sayaka's Soul Gem. I guess it's easier to find Sayaka merch. I said that really weirdly. But yeah, that's my Madoka Magica bag. This is my Tinkerbell bag. It's in a temporary bag at the moment. I'm wanting to swap this to a light green bag and then make some like big Tinkerbell wings in like this kind of colour. So I've got, these are almost all pins. The only thing that's not a pin has fallen right to the bottom. These are like from all over the place as well. I think there's a few that like get hidden a bit, but it's hard when you've got a big bag. And yeah, that's like a little keychain phone strap thing. It's of course my Tiana bag. Tiana's my favourite Disney princess. I love her. I've got this big old pom-pom on the outside. This bag is one I originally bought for my Toy Story bag, which I need to do. This figure just keeps falling over. But I'm using it as a temporary one for Princess and the Frog. I'm gonna either get a lavender one or a green one, because she does have a blue dress, but not many people recognize that as Tiana, and Disney I think gave her lavender as like her princess color, rather than green, because green tends to be the villain colors. I don't really know what goes on with their branding, but no, this is my Tiana bag. And finally, my absolute like gold star favorite thing I have ever done, other than I don't know what I'm saying, but this is my London Underground bag. It's the most me thing you'll ever see, and it has custom like Lolita Underground related ribbon. So we've got Mind the Frills and Transport for Lolitas, which is a pun on the TFL branding. I hope you enjoyed that little quick run through of my Itabag collection, and I'll see you next time. Bye!